Hi, sweet girl. What's that? Ball. You say ball? Oh, the book about babies and a bath. Yeah. Do you want to read the book, Lily? Yeah? Yeah, baby. Where's the baby, Lily? Can you find a baby? Should we turn it the other way? Let's see here. It's upside down. There you go. Hey, Lily. Ooh, is that interesting? Yes. Lily, can you say Dada? Lily, can you say Dada? Lily.
Mama.
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 Can you say Dada?
Mama.
Mama. How about Dada? Dada. Lily, can you say Dada? Lily, say Dada. Lily. Lily. Lily, say Dada. Where's Dada? Say Dada. Alright, I'll kiss. Bye-bye, Lily. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, sweetie.